The rules of the road just changed, and most drivers have no idea. Here are 10 new driving laws arriving in 2026 that could cost you a fine, points on your licence, or worse. If you drive in the United States or the United Kingdom, this is what you need to know. Let's start with the one that catches drivers every single day. Law number 1. Holding your phone now means an instant fine. Most US states have moved to primary enforcement, which means officers can pull you over just for holding your phone, even at a red light. In the UK, the fine can reach $1,000, plus 6 penalty points on your licence. One glance at a text simply isn't worth it. Law number 2, the drink-drive limit is getting stricter. Several US states are pushing to lower the DUI threshold from 0.08% to 0.05% blood alcohol. In the UK, the government has proposed cutting the limit for new drivers to just 20 milliliters per 100 millilitres of blood. 2 drinks could now put you over the line. Law number 3, seat belts now cost you points too. Not wearing a seat belt used to mean only a fine. In 2026, new UK proposals would add penalty points to your licence on top of that. And if a child in your car isn't buckled up, the responsibility falls on you as the driver. Law number 4, electric vehicles are no longer free to run. EV owners, the free ride is over. Road tax now applies at 190 files per year for the standard rate. And if you drive into London, the congestion charge runs up to 18 tonnes per day, with EV discounts being scaled back. Law number 5, drug driving tests just got faster. Police can now use roadside saliva tests as direct evidence in court, with no blood test required. And if you think prescription medication is a loophole, think again. The law covers that too. Law number 6, you must move over for any stopped vehicle. In California and several other states, move-over laws now cover any car with hazard lights, not just emergency vehicles. Fines have doubled. If someone is broken down on the highway, you must slow down or change lanes. Law number 7, eye tests become mandatory for drivers over 70. The UK's road safety strategy proposes mandatory eye tests every 3 years for drivers aged 70 and over. Right now, older drivers simply self-declare that they can see well enough. That loophole is closing. Law number 8, your next car may stop you from driving drunk. Federal law now requires new vehicles to develop technology that detects and prevents drunk or impaired driving. Vehicles from the 2026 model year are the starting point. Soon, your car itself could refuse to let you drive while impaired. Law number 9, self-driving cars are legally on the road. Waymo's self-driving taxis are launching in London in September 2026. Under the Automated Vehicles Act, they must meet the same safety standards as human drivers. Autonomous vehicles are no longer a future idea, they are happening now. Law number 10, fuel prices are rising by law. The 5p fuel duty freeze that has been in place since 2011 ends in September 2026. Petrol and diesel prices will begin rising in line with inflation. If you drive high mileage, start budgeting for this now. So there you have it. 2026 is one of the biggest years for driving law changes in over a decade. From phones and alcohol limits to electric vehicles and self-driving taxis, the road is changing fast. Stay informed, stay legal, and keep these 10 changes in mind every time you get behind the wheel.